Welcome all the students to English Grade 9. We are the teacher from Nguyễn, Trực Secondary School. Instructor Miss Trường Thị Kim Oanh. Xin chào mừng tất cả các bạn học sinh đã đến với bộ môn tiếng Anh dành cho các bạn học sinh khối 9. Chúng tôi là nhóm giáo viên đến từ trường trung học cơ sở Nguyễn, Trung Trực. Người hướng dẫn cô Trương Thị Kim Oanh.
Let's start the lesson with warm-up activities. I give you a keyword, energies, and tell me how many energies do you and your family use at home? I've give you some clues. The first one, water, wind, solar, petrol, gas, and oil. These are the energies that you use at home. So, how can we save the energies? We will know in the lesson.
Unit 7, Saving Energy. Lesson 1, Getting Started. Listen and read. 1. Getting started. We have two pictures. Look at the picture on the left. We can see a lot of water in the bathroom. And on the right, there is no one in the room, but the TV, the stereo, and the light, they are still on. So, what should we do to save?
Now, what should we do to save energy? We can turn off the faucets. We can turn off the TV or the stereo when no one is watching it or listen to it. And don't turn on the stereo and the TV at the same time. Turn off the light if it isn't necessary.
We will listen to the conversation between two women. After listening, please answer two questions. A. Who are talking in the conversation? B. What are they talking about?
Unit 7, Saving Energy. 2. Listen and read. Mrs. Me is talking with her neighbor, Mrs. Ha.
What's the matter, Mrs. Ha?
I'm worried about my most recent water bill. It's enormous.
Let me see. 200,000 dong. You should reduce the amount of water your family uses.
How do I do that?
First of all, get a plumber to make sure there are no cracks in the pipes.
I'll do that.
Baths use twice as much water as showers, so I suggest taking showers. And remember to turn off the faucets. A dripping faucet can waste 500 liters of water a month.
I see. Thank you.
After listening to the conversations, answer the questions. A. Who are talking in the conversation? Please answer the questions. I will give you the answer. Mrs. Me and Mrs. Ha. B. What are they talking about? Let me give you a suggestion. They are talking about how to reduce the water bill. Listen to the conversation again and then find out new words.
Unit 7, Saving Energy. 2. Listen and read. Mrs. Me is talking with her neighbor, Mrs. Ha.
What's the matter, Mrs. Ha?
I'm worried about my most recent water bill. It's enormous.
Let me see. 200,000 dong. You should reduce the amount of water your family uses.
How do I do that?
First of all, get a plumber to make sure there are no cracks in the pipes.
I'll do that.
Baths use twice as much water as showers, so I suggest taking showers. And remember to turn off the faucets. A dripping faucet can waste 500 liters of water a month.
I see. Thank you.
Look at the picture. It is a water bill. Now listen and repeat. A water bill. A water bill. A water bill. Đây là một hóa đơn tiền nước. Now look at the second word. Enormous. Now listen and repeat. Enormous. 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 Enormous có nghĩa là to lớn, nhiều. Look at the picture. These are pies. Now listen and repeat. Pie. Pipe. Pipe. Pie có nghĩa là ống hoặc đường ống. Look at the man. He is a plumber. Now listen and repeat. A plumber. A plumber. A plumber. A plumber có nghĩa là thợ sửa ống nước hoặc thợ sửa chữa đường ống nước. Look at the cup. There is a crack on the cup. So, a crack. Listen and repeat. A crack. A crack. A crack. A crack có nghĩa là vết nứt, vết gãy. This is a dripping faucet. Now listen and repeat. A dripping faucet. A dripping faucet. A dripping faucet. A dripping faucet là một cái vòi nước đang bị rỉ nước. Các bạn hãy viết từ mới vào vở. Let's play game with me. What and where. You will try to remember what and where is the word. The first one, water bill. The second one, pipe. The third one, enormous. The fourth one, dripping faucet. The fifth one, crack. And the last one, plumber. Try to remember what is the word and where is the word. Now let's start with the first one. Now the first one it is water bill. How about number 2? Enormous, right? Number 3, pipe. Number 4, crack. Number 5, a dripping faucet. Number 6, a plumber. We have task 1, matching the word with the picture. New words, water bill, enormous, a plumber, crack, pies, faucet, a dripping faucet. You will look at the picture and then choose the words. Number 1, pies are plumber. Number 2, my water bill this month is low. Number 3, I'd like to buy a faucet. Number 4, can you help me with my dripping faucet? Number 5, let me check if there is a crack on the cup. Number 6, these pies are long enough to use. Number 7, I think my water bill is too enormous this month. Meet again, Mrs. Me and Mrs. Ha. They are talking about a water bill. What does Mrs. Me suggest?
Unit 7. Saving energy. 2. Listen and read. Mrs. Me is talking with her neighbor, Mrs. Ha.
What's the matter, Mrs. Ha?
I'm worried about my most recent water bill. It's enormous.
Let me see. 200,000 dong. You should reduce the amount of water your family uses.
How do I do that?
First of all, get a plumber to make sure there are no cracks in the pipes.
I'll do that.
Baths use twice as much water as showers, so I suggest taking showers. And remember to turn off the faucets. A dripping faucet can waste 500 liters of water a month.
I see. Thank you.
Next, we move to task 2, choosing true or false statement. You receive 5 statements and you will choose true or false. If it's false, please give me the correction. Number 1. Mrs. Ha is worried about her water bill. True or false? Yes, it's true. Number 2. Mrs. Me gives Mrs. Ha advice on how to save water. True or false? It's true. Number 3. Mrs. Ha has checked the pipe in her house and found no cracks. True or false? It's false. Now let's correct it. Mrs. Ha hasn't checked the pipes in her house. Number 4. Mrs. Ha suggests getting some tool to check the cracks on the pipes. True or false? False. Mrs. Me suggests getting a plumber to check the cracks on the pipes. Number 5. Mrs. Me suggests taking showers to save water. It's true. Remember, ngày hôm nay chúng ta có một mẫu câu cần ghi nhớ. Cô có một ví dụ. I suggest taking showers. Bạn hãy lưu ý cho cô cụm từ suggest taking. Chúng ta cần ghi nhớ sau suggest các bạn hãy đi với động từ thêm in. Cách dùng để đưa ra một đề xuất hoặc một gợi ý. Suggest là một động từ có nghĩa là đề nghị. Các bạn hãy giúp cô tạo thành câu hoàn chỉnh. Might go the movie. Các bạn hãy sử dụng suggest để tạo thành một câu hoàn chỉnh. Chúng ta sẽ có might suggest going to the movie. Ví dụ số 2. They play soccer. Bạn hãy sử dụng suggest để tạo thành một câu hoàn chỉnh. They suggest playing soccer. Practice. Bạn hãy sử dụng mẫu câu suggest để tạo thành câu hoàn chỉnh cho những cụm từ phía sau. 1. Try mother, turn on TV. Number 2. They suggest take bus. Number 3. I've saved energy. Number 4. We suggest have picnic.
Now let's check the answer together. My grandmother suggests turning on the TV. They suggest taking by bus. I suggest saving energy. We suggest having a picnic.
Homework for you. The first one, learn by heart on the new words. Then write 5 things you suggest your friends doing to save energy at school. The last one, prepare for the next lesson, Unit 7, read. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye and see you in the next lesson.